Hey everybody! You guys, today I will be sharing our simple Christmas decor. Now, many of you already know that this summer we got new furniture, and I have yet to share exactly what I've done to, I guess, kind of redecorate our living room area. So you will see that today. But I say our decor is simple because when we got our new furniture, we couldn't accommodate that big old wide 12-foot Christmas tree that we've had in times past. Now, I did order two more trees, and you're probably saying you ordered two, but you couldn't accommodate one. I ordered the slim trees. I wanted another 12 foot, but they were out. So I did a 9 foot and a 7 foot. Then I went back to my childhood and ordered tinsel trees. So I'm going to share the link in the description box below of the trees. But I wanted to keep it very simple, didn't want ornaments. I think there's something that's just magical about a simple tree with lights. I do have some picks in the top of the trees, but again, I just wanted to keep it very simple. I'm sitting in our dining room. I usually put a Christmas tree at the dining room window. I didn't do that this year. I do have some pretty little Christmas boxes that have the buffalo plaid print that goes with these cute little dishes that my god sister found. She was out of town. I think she said she was at the dollar store. When she saw these, she thought about me. So thank you, sis, so much. I love you dearly. But I thought they would be perfect not only during the Thanksgiving holiday, but carried on into the Christmas holiday. Like I say, they go perfectly with these little decor Christmas boxes that I have on my table. Everything else I already had, so I didn't purchase anything else, minus there are two little pillows that are in the chairs, the black and white. And actually, my dude number one picked those out. You guys, he did good with the pillows, but you already know I was with him, right? Okay, so he picked those out, but everything else, I had from last year. Also, in our hall area, you'll see two trees, and they are the twinkle trees, and they're actually weeping willow trees. When I saw those, I got those from Walmart. We were in Walmart a few weeks ago, and my mom loved weeping willow trees, so I could not pass those up. But again, our decor is just very simple. You will see a red poinsettia. There is absolutely nothing else red but that poinsettia. And we were gifted that. Someone donated some poinsettias to our church, one of our church members, and they shared them with each family that was there. So that's where the poinsettia came from. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Again, there's nothing red in our living room, so consider it to be my pop of color. Okay, so I think that's all I wanted to share with you. Um, there are a few more things that I did want to do as it pertained to pulling the living room totally together, but I'm not gonna make you guys wait until I find every little thing that I want, because you already know that will take some time. And like my husband says, it could be a few years before I totally find every little thing I want. So I'm just going to show you what I've done so far. Again, just a few more things to tie it together. But I hope you all enjoy this video. Um, is that it? I think that's it. But you guys, I really kept it simple this year with my decor. Okay? So I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time.